discuss nutrition, and we discuss the third part of nutrition. We don't already talk wetin nutrition be, but if we just refresh our memories, talk say nutrition na any way or method wey organisms dey use nourish themselves, feed themselves in such a way that they go fit continue to dey sustain their life. Any organism wey stop to dey nourish itself, wey stop to dey feed or produce food, that organism go die. So, and e get just one of two ways wey organisms dey take nourish themselves. Either say they go dey feed on materials wey don dey formed already, other organisms or food or glucose or whatever it is, they go dey feed on it, or they go dey produce the food by themselves wey they go store, come use am up later. Na either one of these two ways. Now, we don talk about the different classes of food wey dey for human nutrition, and we don focus, the video wey we do, we focus a lot on carbohydrates. So now we'll continue by discussing proteins. Wetin proteins be? Now, proteins, we fit get our sources of proteins from fish, meat, milk, and eggs. This one will give us protein with all a very good source of protein. And proteins, it's important to know say protein na giant molecules. The smaller molecules now wetin they call amino acids. And if we add these amino acids together, we add them together with what they call dipeptide bonds, and then we produce proteins, which are the giant molecules from small or minute single amino acids. So this one dey important to note. Another thing to note na say proteins dey important for many different processes within the body. Proteins dey help, to fix cells wey don dey die, wey don dey wey no dey functional again, wey no fit perform very well. Proteins go help us to fix and replace such cells. So proteins dey important. Also, a lot of enzymes wey dey for inside the body wey dey run different enzymatic reactions. Most of these enzymes na proteins dem be. So proteins dey very important for many different biochemical reactions and processes wey dey occur for inside the body. Now, if we leave proteins, we talk fat and oil. Fat and oil, we dey also refer to them as lipids. And we know say fats dey solid at room temperature, and oils dey in liquid form even at room temperature. Now, if we get them from many different sources like our butter, lard, cheese, margarine, all these ones na sources for our fats and oil, and this one dey important to note. And now, even as we get all these sources for fat and oil, e dey important to know say fat and oil dey also contribute and help to give energy to the body. Also, they act as insulators for warmth. So say they go dey store for different parts of the body to help provide warmth for the human body. Now, if we talk proteins, talk fat and oil, we come talk minerals and vitamins. Minerals dey, so all chemicals wey we need, or nutrients wey the human body need in minute quantity. So like our iodine, our sodium chloride, our magnesium chloride, all these small nutrients wey the body bin need in minute quantity, then there, and we fit see many of these in vegetables, fruits. They carry many of these minerals. Now, even the vitamins too, then they important. Vitamin A for sight, vitamin K for bones. They get all their different functions wey they do, and we'll take our time discuss vitamins and in full talk about all the different things with different types of vitamins they do. It's just important make we know say we get what they call fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, D, E, and K, those ones na the fat soluble vitamins. And then we get vitamin B and vitamin C, will be ascorbic acid. That one na our water soluble vitamins. So if you leave vitamins, we'll come talk about water. Water dey important. So water dey help aid digestion, it dey help push our food down, it dey help hydrate the body so that the body no go dey hydrated, the body no go dey feel weak. So these are some of the uses of water, and water na one of the classes of food wey dey important. Lastly, we'll talk about roughages. Roughages na dietary fiber. So if we chop vegetables, if we chop anything we get fiber inside, especially our vegetables, our fruits, many of them they carry fibrous material inside, and this one they help for bowel movement. They help peristalsis, so that anything where they move from our stomach, the matter where they digest for our stomach, go they move like that, still it go become stool, and it go they move easily, freely through that system. So roughages they very important, na dietary fiber, and it they very important. Lastly, for this nutrition class, for this O level, we'll come talk about balanced diet. So all these classes of food, when we produce them, gather them together in the right proportion, the right amount, the right quantity, and give them to human being, now wetin we dey refer to as balanced diet. And balanced diet dey important for growth and for the organism to continue to live and function optimally. Thank you for listening to this lecture. Please remember to like our content, share our content, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.